Hello everybody, we are back on the absolutely beautiful Pierre Cardin Cadillac. I can't wait to get this finished. So, as you can tell, the front end of the engine is back together again completely. All the belts are on, everything's tightened up. So now we're working on the electrical, so I gotta run up to the parts store to get a proper... They made back in the day on the old Chevys a dual side post hookup, so that you had one that went this way and one that went this way as well, but it turned just ever so gently, and you got the double long nut to hold everything together like it should be. So here's our positive, but we've got to connect the positive up, if you follow it, to the battery on the other side. So we've got to get that finished running. We've got the line ran, which is good. Everything's bolted down into place, so we're fine. So I want to clean up the negatives because they don't really look come on. There we go. They got a little bit of corrosion on them, and I want them to be as safe as I can. And then I'll put some dielectric grease on there to stop them from getting worse. So we'll button up all of the electrical, finish routing the hoses for the last bit of the radiator, getting everything buttoned up that way. Come on, get in there, get in the hole, get in the hole. Oops. Yeah, we're gonna button up rubber hoses. But okay guys, I'll make this kind of short because I gotta run to the parts house real quick, because I'm done for the day here in about a half, so I want to get as much done as I can. I mean, everything looks so nice on there. All new belts. Everything's cleaned up that we've touched. I got to do a little bit of wipe down and stuff like that for under here and on the body again itself, but we'll have it all back together. Air conditioning's plugged back in again. So we'll finish the electrical, and that will probably be the end of my day here at that point. But, all right, guys, we'll let you go. And can't wait to see you guys' new post on Facebook. And I hope he's okay, by the way, with hitting his head 3 times. He looked like he had a couple of bumps and bruises. I wish him the best. I hope he feels better. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.